Thomas was sure that Diesel 10 could walk the track. I hope I can get Diesel 10, thought Thomas. Diesel 10 was very scary, but asking him to help was the only way to save the airport. Thomas needed to be very brave. "Excuse me," Thomas puffed nervously. Diesel 10 growled loudly. Excuse me," Thomas puffed again. "What do you want?" snapped Diesel 10. Thomas told Diesel 10 all about the blocked track. "Why would I help a steamy?" he grumbled. "Because if the aeroplane doesn't land, there will be no holiday makers," puffed Thomas. "Then none of the engines will be useful." "Maybe I will help," growled Diesel 10. "Later." "But we need your help now," puffed Thomas, "or all the engines will have worked for nothing." "You'll be the most useful engine of all," Thomas added. "All right," snarled Diesel 10. "I'll help." Thomas was glad he'd asked Diesel 10. 10 was he still wanted to be useful. The workmen had mended the runway. Thomas and Diesel 10 were puffing as fast as they could.